Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with essential checks. Open Drive storage view and confirm where space is used. Drive, Gmail, Photos. Once done, switch to List View and sort by size so the biggest files show first. This saves time. Make sure to mark any critical items for offline copy before removing them. While you download, create a temporary folder labeled Archive for files you might want back. This puts you in control and prevents accidental loss while you begin the first deletions. Now tackle the middle steps. Remove obvious space hogs like large videos, duplicates, and device backups you no longer need. Use Drive search operators, larger, 10M and type, video to surface targets quickly. Combine with before, yimmdd to remove old items. Make sure to check Google Photos for original quality photos and videos, and convert to Storage Saver when acceptable. Also open Gmail and filter attachments over 5 MB. Delete or save them externally. Once you delete items, remember they go to trash until permanently removed. Finish by emptying trash in Drive, Gmail, and Photos to free space immediately. Verify the storage dashboard to confirm space reclaimed. Once cleared, adjust backup and sync settings to prevent the same buildup. Change Photos to Storage Saver, limit device backups, and set Drive folder sync selectively. If space doesn't reflect changes, wait up to 24 hours for Google's counters to update, clear local app caches, and sign out /in. If problems persist, contact support with.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.